This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by TUCKERSTOWN. Updated and move-in ready 3-bedroom -2-bath -2-car garage home in the desirable, deed-restricted community of Gulf Gate Woods. The bright and spacious floor plan features a custom kitchen with solid wood cabinetry, granite countertops, glass tile backsplash, a breakfast bar and newer stainless steel appliances. Bathrooms with granite counters and dual sink in master bedroom with his and her walk-in closets. 2016 updates include new tile roof, skylights in living room and master bath, new gutters, new windows, fabric hurricane shutters, new water heater, reinforced garage door, new baseboards and newly installed 24 porcelain tile throughout the house, except master bedroom and second bedroom where you'll find carpet flooring. Entire home re-plumped with PVC. Large utility room that offers plenty of space for a possible workshop. 5 sets of French doors provide access to the beautiful, private backyard with a park-like setting and lake views. Mature landscaping and no neighbor to the left offers ultimate privacy. Plenty of room to add a pool. Do not miss out on the opportunity to find a great buy in an exclusive neighborhood. Gulf Gate Woods is a well-established, deed-restricted and well-maintained community that offers close access to area beaches, schools, parks, dining, shopping malls, medical and groceries, as well as easy access to I-75. For more information, review the details below.